Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make animation videos on your Android device. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Here I'm going to use the third party app which is CapCut. So let me open that application. I strongly recommend that application for any of the video editing process. Now here you can see new project. Tap right here on new project. Now select one of your video from there, and here you can also crop that video. For example, let me crop that video to this, and now tap right here, select, tap on add. Now guys, what you can do is to do the animated video. Tap right here on the video, and here you can see animation. Now select your required font. For example, if I select this, so you will see that this video will become in that way. So this is how you can add your animation in your video. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.